see the steeple of the little church. Jesus fuck now.
What are we doing today?
Well, so I don't know if
Fuck!
so I don't know if it was featured in the Avonport expedition video when we went to put the battery in the Oldsmobile, but as I was driving home, I jumped the car. So we got a good probably 6 feet of air, slammed it down to the bottom, and now the bottom of the radiator's cracked.
It might be hard to see. All that wet spot down there is not oil.
I do kind of like this design too, because it's not like stuffed into a fucking like.
Oh, it's
frame.
it's super
just
simple.
This bolt. I think there's probably some bottom mounting bolts that'll be kind of a bit.
Just bushings.
Yeah, and then it should just come.
Trans line's got to come off, and the and your shrouds.
Don't say easy. That's a swear word.
Step numero 1. We're gonna take the top hose off. Gosh, get it a little bit tighter.
I have this.
What's this?
Euro antifreeze.
The blue stuff.
The purple stuff.
Ew. Is it grape flavored?
It didn't smell like grapes. What is in that?
I'll go grab it real quick here.
Huh. Oh, there goes my fucking vice grips. This is a completely unnecessary ratchet for this. Do you have your smaller Stanleys?
Smaller Stanley?
Yeah, like your Stanley ratchets. I'm too poor to be using a snap-on ratchet.
Fuck you.
Did you ever show, I forget, when we took the fucking Sunbird block out, did you ever show the damage I did?
No, that wasn't on camera.
Okay. Time for the sex scene. What?
Rat. Oh, we'll drive this thing to CarQuest as well. I need a exhaust tank
Okay.
for that rear piece so it doesn't fucking fall down again.
I pee.
It's a pee.
No, I'll hold
Don't
it.
piss on my tire,
I'm
bitch.
a man, I'll hold it.
No, just pee in the fucking woods.
I don't have a vagina, I don't need to pee every 5 minutes. These are pretty soft houses still. There we go.
Thanks.
So while Cam's radiator slowly becomes the endless, this is definitely what caused the leak. If you compare this fitting end to this fitting end, there's there's an issue. Go down to where it's not pissing as much. Yeah, if I press on this, that was the problem.
Oh shit.
At least I can control the flow. But when I stop pushing on it, it stops leaking. Settle down. It's just getting worse.
That's this car in a nutshell. It's just getting worse.
Further our conclusion on the radiator. That was the issue.
It's fucked.
He bought some kitty litter at CarQuest. Definitely.
Speedy Dry. It's called Speedy Dry.
I don't know how they expected you to get to that petcock easily, because it was covered, man. This was the harder side of the radiator to get to.
Gimbals are expensive.
Yeah.
I found a decent one for like $60, but it's not the best.
Yeah, still $60. $60 can pretty much buy you a radiator for this car. That other fitting is pretty well decorated too.
It's good to know I didn't break it.
You may have helped, but that was probably already on its way out. Come on, there you go. Only bled a little bit.
You're bleeding?
Ooh, almost stepped on your fucking fan.
Crunch. Can't replace those.
We got out pretty much as we're gonna get out.
So throw this in. hook everything back up and it's put the coolant in?
Yeah, we'll get the
Really?
get the trans lines back on. Yeah, fuck, radiators are easy. Unless you're, you know, a Dodge guy or something.
Well, unless you have a car with a radiator assembly that's shoved in like a Spark or something, or like a smaller car.
Or you just own anything past 2008.
I'll say something to the channel, and I'll say this publicly on YouTube.
Look right in the camera and say it.
I will say this. Channels like Junkyard Digs, and a lot of those other channels that do mechanical stuff, have taught me a very valuable lesson. New cars just fucking suck in general.
Oh shit!
I'm not putting that.
I was doing the Pee Wee Herman dance.
Oh, I was hitting the gritty. How do you not know? You're the one fixing it, dude. What?
You think I know anything about anything? Come on now.
You disingenuous, dense motherfucker. Of course you'd have to know something about something or you couldn't tie your shoes.
I don't know how to tie my shoes.
What the fuck?
I don't tie my boots. Okay,
Feather.
trans lines are hooked up. I think I'm going to put the mounts on first before I put the fans in.
I'm like really disappointed that that's not an eagle feather. I thought I had like some native voodoo charm in my car, man. I don't. It's bullshit. You fucking scammed me.
I never taught you the rain dance.
I don't want to know the rain dance. I need to figure out how to change my shirt. I'm a dirty boy.
I like to eat cigarettes.
How many cigarettes have you got, lad?
What did I do with the other mount?
This one that's sitting right here?
Oh, I'm blind.
You
I haven't
dumb
even...
motherfucker.
It's because I'm doing too much acid with my fucking wife. Fuck, that's something I haven't heard in a long time. Osmosis Jones. My childhood.
You don't know what you haven't heard for a long time?
What?
I love memes. Slayer.
Oh, God.
Slayer.
I love memes. Slayer.
Kilimanjaro. Kill-tacular. I've been driving in my car, listening to Jeremy Clarkson.
One point.
Oh, like the thing that you use to pull the dents out? Like
yeah, or for pulling like axle shafts and shit from trucks.
Or you like thread it on and then you slam it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we can put this back on. And put that in an easy to access place. Okay. Now we just gotta put that fan in. Goes that way.
Oh,
okay. Okay.
I like dropped them. I didn't even throw them. I owe you a flat of Pepsi for this one. 2, maybe. I think that's fair. Oh, it's all in my hands.
Nice. You'll never get that feeling off for a while, ethylene glycol.
Feeling.
Yeah, it's a very greasy feeling. Fuck.
Fucking use cigarette in there.
Yeah, I'm one of those guys. I always chuck my fucking cigarette butts in the,
Waste fluid.
Yeah. New radiator. Time to bleed.
Oh, my beard smells like black ice.
Gross. Okay.
So I need to crank it over while you pour this in?
No. You wait until we have this.
Full?
This was already opened. Or did you open it?
I didn't open it.
Someone opened it.
Whoa, before you put that in, why the fuck is it open?
Someone's probably just checking.
Yeah, why would someone put something in that blows people's engines? They don't get any monetary gain out of that.
That is the weirdest fucking pour I've ever seen.
This is half fucking used. There was a full jug.
Oop.
Alex!
I can't help it. Get a rag!
Fuck! My car's green now, huh?
Oh, not like your brake calipers are already green.
Oh, there's coolant in my... That's good. I love coolant in my engine.
It'll burn off. It just smells like pancakes. Yeah, when coolant burns, it smells like pancakes.
That's great. Cleaning the grease right off.
Oh yeah. That's how I knew the head gasket was going in the Churcell, because I drove through McDonald's with it once, and it was like at the last point right before I did the head gasket. And this fucking lady at McDonald's was like, your car really smells like pancakes. She didn't know what the fuck was going on. And in my mind, I'm like, fuck. Oh, you can't use tap water when you do coolant changes. Well. Guess what? I've done it every time and it's never given me a problem. Shut the hell up. You shouldn't, but if you just use a whole thing of concentrate, you'll never get electrolysis. Get as much bubbles out by hand first.
Oh, this mixes it and then it comes down through.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Right, Ice? I know you know what you're doing.
Yeah, just trying to get stuff mixed in there. See all the air that's coming out?
Yeah.
Look at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just trying to force more into it. Okay. Turn that to high.
Turn that off?
Yep. Alright. And that will let us bleed through. Yeah, just leave it there. That'll let us bleed through your heater core. Now to look at the bubbles coming up. So we'll let her warm up for a while, then we'll start doing some revs. Actually, I'd call that bled, really.
Roughiness as like the GM V6s and like LeBaron, where they go wah.
Here, rev her up.
When I had pulled it over to you're good. You're up past full.
Alright, we'll put the rest in the pressed stone bottle.
Yeah, when I pulled it over, when it was overheating, I could hear it like boiling.
Yeah, that's normal.
That's the coolant, I think. Or the water was boiling out of the coolant. That's why everything that came out of there was just pure fucking Prestone.
Yeah.
Or Dexron.
Dex cool.
Careful, that might...
No.
Oh, that's not under real pressure, but...
No. There wouldn't be. I didn't allow it to build pressure because this was on it. And now it'll go to overflow. Put the cap back on. Done.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow in 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get to dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him it's my son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea. Ain't no stopping the G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily. I drop a key properly.